What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the video. So yeah, I haven't been uploading in a very long time. Well, I actually had two videos. One video I had to take it down because of, not trying to get caught kind of purpose. And another video is because I recorded but the audio was very bad. And yeah, so what we are doing today. So there's no photo shoot, there's no events, there's nothing today. It's just that we are going to do something to this car. And right now I'm out. As you can see, there's baskets behind me. I'm actually at the Dobby. I'm just waiting for the clothes to be washed, and then I'll put it to dry. But in the meantime, while I'm out here, I decided like let's make a short video. I'll try to make it short, and we'll see what we can come up with. So basically, what we're doing today is we are going to be we're not actually working on something. We're just going to be installing something for the Myvi, which is some interior pieces, and we have it right here. Now this is a couple of interior pieces that I bought a few days ago, and it arrived quite quick. It was very fast. Okay, so these are pieces that are going to go on the aircon vents, the center piece, and also the other aircon vent as well. So I really hate the chrome, so what I'm going to do is we are actually going to be doing a chrome delete for this car, and for the aircon vents and also the center plate. I'll show you the pieces later while I'm installing. So in box number one, what do we have here? So this is, so basically it's a carbon fiber piece. It's a plastic piece with the double tape on it, and this one basically goes over here. It goes over that piece over there that covers this grayish part over here. Sorry for my hairy hand. It covers this part over here, and also we have the other part. Nothing is in there. Okay, so this one goes over to this aircon. This chrome piece over here, it covers this chrome piece because why? As you can see, the sun reflects into the chrome, and while you're driving it irritates your eyes, so it covers this part. Yeah, I know you'll say like go and get a tint or wear sunglasses. I can wear sunglasses. I do have the one that you wear on top of this one, but it gets annoying. And tint, I'm still surveying around yet where is the best place to get a tint, and affordable ones with the proper quality. Right, so this one goes over to the other side aircon. And what do we have in this box is the major piece. So this one is this piece that goes over to this part, right? And then they have another section down there as well. So basically it's a two-piece stuff. Yep, there we go. It goes down right here. Right. So basically, unfortunately, they haven't produced or created or developed or manufactured or whatever term you want to use it for this chrome part yet. I'm not sure why, but there's none in production. I've searched everywhere yet, and they haven't created one yet. So once they have created it, I'll go and get it. And also they have a few pieces for the steering wheel as well, which they do have, but it's out of stock, which covers this part, this part, this part, and also deletes the chrome, and all will be in carbon fiber. So yeah, hopefully they make one for this as well. As you can see, I've already covered the chrome over here with this Black Panther mask face looking thing, but it doesn't cover fully because of the gap over here, and it doesn't open fully, but it's functional. Okay, so let's try to do this install quickly, and yeah, so let's get this install done. Alright, so for the first piece we have removed the double tape, and the double tape is quite sticky because I had a hard time removing the cover of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install this here, make sure the placement is good, fitment is nice. Okay, Once you get it right, you just stick it, press it down. Oh, sorry. Just press it down nicely. So you press all the corners so that the double tip sticks properly. I think I should have installed the internal one first. Okay, so I went in here and installed both of this, and thankfully I was able to fit this right in between whatever, I mean right after I installed this one. And you can see the design almost matches the top one, so it's not like it's very off place too much. I'm sorry if if you're hearing the wind blowing because the aircon is on. So as you can see, it almost matches the design perfectly, the top and bottom one, and the fitment is good, so it hides the chrome. And bottom here as well, it's pretty solid, fits good perfectly. Alright, so we're gonna go remove the other plastics, and we'll go ahead and install the other one. Alright, so for the next piece, we're gonna go with the other aircon piece right now. So just gonna show you how it looks like. So I mean, you already see how it looks like with the plastic with the mock-up. So wait, I ain't got no hair, hoodie. Yeah, I'm gonna just set you right here. Just for a moment. Alright, so there we go. Right, so this is the piece for this aircon vent. So how we will sit is like this. So it'll fit like that. Okay, so basically it covers everything, the whole chrome piece. Okay, it just covers like that. It looks nice. It's like it has the gloss finishing on it, so it shines. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove this. This is quite tricky a bit because it's difficult. At least it has the opening right here for this side. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we have the double tape thing removed, and it's basically this 3-piece of double tape, 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it. Hopefully don't screw it up. Oh my god. Hopefully I don't screw it up. Pro tip, make sure you clean the surface here. Don't be a jackass like me. There we do. Just fit it properly. I think that's it. Yeah, it looks cool. Looks OEM. Basically it covers all the chrome parts, which I didn't really like. Right, so that side done. This side is done. Looks clean. Excuse the phone holder. See? It's good. So now we have the final piece, which is the center dashboard piece. So let me just clean this up. Okay, so we have two pieces over here. One is the top, one is this down part. Okay, I'm gonna get to you on why do we have two pieces instead of one single big piece. Right, so let me just unpack this first, and I'll get back to you. Alright, so we have unpacked it from the plastic, and here it is. So we have this is 2-piece. Okay, so it's like a boomerangish type of thing. So this one goes on top of here like this. Okay, it sits perfectly fitted. Okay, covers almost the whole grayish part area. And yes, down here as you can see is empty. Okay, so we have that piece over here which will go down here and covers this section. And why is it like two piece? Because why? Okay, so oh shit. Okay, so basically what it is that, okay, some people, like, you know, after they upgrade their players, you know, nowadays a lot of people using Android player. This is the original player, so this is this size. So Android players, sometimes they are this size or they could be bigger, so the whole casing might be different. This whole part here might be different, it might be longer. It is. So sometimes they, if they buy this piece, they only can fit this part, the top part, and then the bottom part is like, oh no, it's too big, so they can't fit, and there'll be like a gap, or it just won't be nice. So this is this kind of a clever thing that was developed, I guess that's the right word. I don't know, I was in quarantine, I brain's fried. So this is kind of like a good design idea thing, where they made two pieces, so that if, let's say, you're using an Android player, you can still use the top part, but then the down part you have to leave it as it is, because the player could be, you know, longer, bigger, whatever. Yeah, so let's go ahead and install this part. Again, I'm going to remove this tape and, yeah, install the top one first. Okay, so we have already removed the double tape thing. Okay, and it's like one down here, two up here, and two on the side. So let's go ahead and install this. And remember, pro tip again, make sure you clean the surface. So down here, make sure it's all properly placed. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. It's all fit in there. It's all snugged, nice. Fitment is cool. All the plastic part is hidden. Now we're gonna go with the bottom part. Alright, so we have the bottom piece over here. Same thing as usual. This one has two strips of double tape, and we are gonna install it right here. So I keep pressing so that the double tape is stuck on there properly. Okay, so this is how it looks, the center part of it. Like I said, unfortunately this part has not been, you know, they haven't produced this part yet. And once they have it, I'm definitely gonna get it. Yeah, for this part, I'm definitely gonna get it for this part, and also for the steering, this part, this one, and all that. So yeah, this thing is carbon fiber design, and I just realized this. Okay, so basically, yeah, I'm gonna do like a carbon fiber design.
Carbon fiber?
Kind of madness over here actually. So with the door handles, the fuel cap, the aircon vents, any interior bits and pieces, and also they have that. You see that triangle mirror over there? That one, they have the cover thingy with the carbon fiber design as well. So I'm thinking of getting that as well for the car. I'm not sure. I wasn't really a fan of that design thingy, but when I saw the carbon fiber thing, it's like same thing like this gloss and all that. I felt like I wanted that. So I don't know. I have a ducktail wing as well, but that is like not painted. It's just black. Like it's just out of the mold, like straight out of the mold. And I really want to have that dipped or wrapped in like a carbon fiber cloth so that I can install it. They do have a wing replacement as well, like fully in carbon fiber design, which I wanted to get like years ago when I got this car, but I didn't have the time. And we'll see what we can do about it, because I just want this to, you know, make it like aesthetically looking nice. like make it look nice with all those bits and pieces. And yeah, so please see, we'll try to find and see what we can do, what we can install, what we can make it look nice, not like, you know, make it so ugly. For some of y'all, yeah, you won't like this design, but for me is how I like it. Okay. And as you can see, like I said, it matches perfectly, almost nicely with the this two design case. So it doesn't like dia macam tak lari lah design dia. So it looks nice, it looks perfect and all. Yeah, it doesn't have like any like design imperfections or anything. It looks nice. Okay, so that's the aircon vent, this center dashboard thing, and this is this part, and also this one. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and share it with your friends and help me reach to 1000 subscribers. And I'll try to make more videos. I just need ideas on what to do, because it's not cheap buying accessories and all that, even though the small bits and pieces are quite costly as well. And also I'm busy with my own work, and there's not much of, you know, photography bookings that's coming to for me, so I can't really film any behind the scenes. Trying to get more ideas on what to film, and yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to make content again, either myself or with my friends, or any behind the scenes photography. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in to the channel and the videos. Stay safe and take care. Ciao.